I'm working on this bookcase today, or DVD pictures. We bought the wood, the live edge shelves. I've got to make some brackets for it, and then cut the live edge. This is our beautiful DVD book nook. So then you either use this live edge or this live edge.
Oh, they're both sides, okay.
Well, because it's a tree. Like, see, here's this one shelf. Look at this shelf. Look at this. It's got live edge.
Yeah.
It's $130. It's that thick. That's one shelf.
Yeah.
Do you want thick or do you want thin? Like, pine's obviously going to be cheaper. But that's $100 a shelf.
This one any good or no?
As long as it doesn't split when I cut it. It's got that big split in it, right? I think these three are good, man.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
All right.
Now I'm gonna clean all those DVDs out. I'm gonna measure for the shelves. And then I'm going to go out in the minus 20, minus 21 degrees and cut those up. And then we got to finish it off. We're going to put lights all in this and we're going to see how this looks. Now you can see I ran a plug there for the DVD player. We can't always stream, so sometimes we run out of data here. We're not on the grid as far as we don't have internet connection. We've got electricity, but we don't have internet connection, so we use our hotspots on our phone. So sometimes we go over our data and have to watch DVDs. So it's kind of neat anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set that up so the DVDs don't look so crappy. Good Lord, I didn't know. Like, I was wondering who the hell came in. Michelle's here.
It's freezing.
It's really
so
cold
that my passenger side windows would not open anymore. They froze.
It's like, it was minus 20.
I couldn't open the window for Kobo because it's minus 19.
It was minus 20 when I got here. Nice shirt.
It's too big, I gotta return it. Look. It's supposed to be the smallest one they have.
You can sew it.
Listen, it's enough sewing.
Hi, boys.
Frostbite? You got frostbite.
Let's do some measurements here. I have 3 pieces of wood, so I'm gonna do 3 shelves, like one around there, one around there, one around there. 45 should be every 2. 30, 45. You think that's too thin for a top shelf?
Probably.
So then.
Hold on. So we've got 1, 2, 3.
So we could do 14 and line it right up on that line, which is even. We can paint that after. And then that's 14, and then 14 from there comes to this second board.
Yeah.
And that'll give you a little bit more space up here because I'm going to throw a light under here.
That'll be good.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
This is level here. This is level at this line. This is level at this line. I'm going to cut my quarter round or my supports. I will put them in here with my DeWalt 16 gauge. And then I'll pop a couple on the sides and then we'll measure for the shelf and we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah. Hold up there. Every kiss begins with K. You see what he's got? He's got his paint roller. It's a brand new paint roller there, Ding Dong. You don't have to take your clothes off to have a good time. Oh no, we don't have to take our clothes off.
Minus 40.
In minus 40.
No
Oh
way.
no. Okay, so we got the wood cut downstairs in the -20 degrees. I had to go over to the fire to get warmed up because that was crazy. Gonna put the working glasses on so we can see what we're doing. Cut these pieces of cord around. And I've got them labeled. I've got that as number 1, and that is gonna go there. Because every kiss begins with K. Alright, so we're going to take a little wood glue, I think, and we're going to put that on. Little wood glue down the whole shebanger. We've got the trusty DeWalt 16 gauge. Pop the one in there. And then you know what? I'm going to check it at the level. Make sure she's level. Level it up in the middle. Okay, we got our trusty little torpedo level. Just because of the wonderful things he does. How did I have a feeling that I belong? These are all marked left side. Okay, so we're gonna put put a bead of glue on it. She's coming out now because she's getting unthawed. So we're gonna wipe that off in a second. And then we're gonna check the level on that. Oh, bubble is on. Do a little glue. She was pouring out. Let's look in that bottom one. Pull that down. Blast one in there. Check the level again. She's good. First support. Let's have a look at this. All right. So that's the first one done. I've never used quarter round for a shelf support system. It's not, I don't think they're gonna have that much weight on them. I've got the glue in there. I've got the 16 gauge brad nails on there. So we'll see, right? Time will tell.
Are you wagging your tail at me?
43 3/8. Yeah, I think that one we're just gonna square off, kids. Alright, let's see how this fits. This one was a weird one. Wood's a little twisted. I'll have to put a filler piece in there. I mean, it must be a little bit warped on there. You can see it. Well, we'll have to fix that. Not all pieces of wood are flat and straight. We'll figure that out when we secure it, finally. But that's number 2. I'm gonna go cut number 3, -26.
Ooh, that's nice.
Okay guys, there's the shelves. We're gonna attempt to put the lights in tonight. Dogs, by the way. So what Michelle and I had decided is that we have the rim around the outside. Bring around the rosy, as she says. See, she doesn't want to be on camera today, kids. She's with Growly. But, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lights, we were gonna put them under the shelves and see how they did, but I think that we're gonna put them on the back side here, and then cast the light in, and we'll see how that works out. I got the lights from Home Depot. Some of the lights were like $100, and I needed quite a length because we were gonna put them on the shelves. I was gonna go all the way around. I needed 25 feet. Now that we're going around the perimeter, I'm gonna need about about 14 feet. So I could have got them probably for about 50 bucks, but then I saw one that was 36 feet and was like 36 bucks. So we're gonna see how these work out. I mean, they're all pretty much the same, and I couldn't believe how much they were, and I thought it was because supply issue problem, but apparently I went around the corner at Home Depot and they were sitting right there. Plug is right there, so I want to start my my lights right there, and I have to plug it into this thing here. So I want to hide this under the shelf, run this around, but we're going to run it from the bottom, so I got to figure out how I want to do that. Oh, that's a lot of buttons. Look at that. Lots of colors.
Foster.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. What do you think, man? So we got the live edge shelves in there. That live edge, just so you know, I mean, Michelle, tomorrow we're going to oil these things still. This is live edge wormy maple.
What's the pink in the corner there?
Oh boy.